Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young man named Alex. Alex was a hard-working and kind individual, but like many people, he didn't always understand how to manage his finances. One sunny morning, Alex received his first paycheck from his new job at the local bakery. Though the amount wasn't substantial, it was the most money he had ever earned. Feeling excited, he headed straight to the mall and splurged on a new phone, a pair of fancy shoes, and a stylish jacket. By the end of the day, he had only a few dollars left in his pocket. That evening, Alex's friend Mia came to visit. She noticed his new purchases and said, "Wow, Alex, you've been shopping." Alex smiled and replied, "Yes, I got my first paycheck today. I feel great." However, Mia didn't share his enthusiasm. She cautioned him, "Be careful, Alex. Spending money like this can be fun, but you need to save some too. What will you do if you need money tomorrow?" Alex laughed it off and said, "I'll be fine. I'll just wait for my next paycheck." A week later, Alex's phone broke, and he needed to get it repaired. When he checked his wallet, he realized he didn't have enough money. Remembering Mia's advice about saving, he felt a pang of worry. He had spent everything he had earned. Feeling embarrassed, he went to Mia's house and asked for help. Mia smiled and reassured him, "Don't worry, Alex. This is a lesson everyone learns at some point. Let me show you how to manage your money better." Mia sat down with Alex and taught him how to create a budget. She explained, "A budget is a plan for your money. First, write down how much you earn. Then, list your essential expenses like food, rent, and savings. After that, you can allocate some money for fun things, but not everything." Alex listened carefully and began drafting his budget. He realized that if he had saved even a small portion of his first paycheck, he wouldn't be in this predicament. After learning about budgeting, Alex decided to change his habits. Every time he received his paycheck, he saved 20% of it, depositing the amount into a savings account that Mia helped him open at the bank. At first, it wasn't easy. Alex watched his friends buy new clothes and dine out, but he reminded himself to stick to his plan. "It's okay," he told himself. "I'm saving for something important." Months passed, and Alex's savings grew steadily. One day, he noticed a sign for a cooking class at the local community center. Alex loved baking and wanted to improve his skills to advance in his career. The class cost $300, but this time Alex had the money. He paid for the class using his savings and felt a sense of pride. "I never thought I could save this much," he told Mia. "Now, I'm using my money to learn something new." As Alex became more financially savvy, he realized something important. Money isn't just for spending or saving, it can also be used to help others. One day, while walking home from work, Alex noticed a young boy named Jake selling lemonade on a street corner. Jake looked tired, and it was clear he didn't have many customers. Alex approached him and asked, "How's business?" Jake sighed and replied, "Not good. I'm trying to save up for a bike, but no one is buying lemonade today." Alex remembered how difficult it was when he didn't have enough money for the things he wanted. He decided to help Jake by buying 2 cups of lemonade and leaving a generous tip. Jake's face lit up, and he said, "Thank you so much." Alex smiled and replied, "You're welcome. Keep working hard, and one day you'll get that bike." Later that evening, Alex reflected on how good it felt to help someone else. He realized that money, when used wisely, could make a significant difference in people's lives. Years went by, and Alex's life continued to improve. He was promoted at the bakery and began earning more. He eventually bought a small house, but he never forgot Mia's lessons about saving. He always lived within his means and set aside money for the future. One day, Alex decided to open his own bakery. Using the savings he had accumulated over the years, he rented a shop, purchased ingredients, and launched his business. The early days were challenging, but Alex's financial discipline helped him keep the business afloat. Soon, people from all over town flocked to his bakery for his famous cakes and bread. His business grew, and he hired more staff to meet the demand. Alex became known as one of the most successful bakers in town. Despite his success, Alex never forgot his humble beginnings. He continued to help others whenever he could, donating to local charities, and even teaching young children about saving and budgeting. Alex's journey with money wasn't always smooth. He made mistakes, learned valuable lessons, and grew from his experiences. In the end, he realized that money isn't just about buying things. It's about planning for the future, helping others, and using it wisely. Alex's story teaches us that no matter how much or how little money we have, it's important to think carefully about how we use it. Saving for the future, helping those in need, and making smart financial choices can lead to a happy and successful life.